English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 24.
This is why we plan to...
Sorry to interrupt, but
If I could just come in here.
Could I just say,
Excuse me, but...
I'm sorry, but... Could I just say, this isn't the only option? What? I don't agree at all. I'm sorry, but I agree with Nick on this point. Excuse me, but I have some different figures. That's wrong, and everyone knows it. Say that again? I don't believe it. If I could just come in here and mention losses. You don't know what you're talking about.
In my opinion, we need to focus on recycling. What do you think?
I can see your point, but what do you think about doing this? What do you think about this idea?
I'm not sure I agree. I think... How about you? This is clearly the best approach.
I'm sorry, but I'm not sure I agree.
We will lose thousands of customers.
Sorry to interrupt, but my figures are different.
It's the same problem as last year.
I'm not sure. What do you think about new outlets?
These will never sell in Asia.
I'm sorry, but in my opinion, they will sell well.
So, we at RonMax need to consider our future environmental strategy. We need to think about saving money.
I'm sorry, but not all green schemes save money.
I understand, but a lot of them do. We could cut down on paper use for a start, and also reuse and recycle any waste paper that we do use. This will save money and help save natural resources.
I see your point about paper, but what do you think about our energy use?
Well, we are changing the lights in many rooms that we don't use very often, so that they only come on when people enter the room and they turn off automatically when they leave.
In my opinion, it's a waste of time. How much will it cost to change the wiring?
Actually, we will recover the money in less than 3 years. We will also reduce our carbon footprint and be able to use our environmentally friendly policies in our marketing. Attend a meeting. Schedule a meeting. Take the minutes. Review the minutes. Read the agenda. Work through the agenda. Send apologies. Announce apologies. Take a vote. Casting vote. Opening remarks. Closing remarks.
Can we review the minutes? Tim sent his apologies. He can't come. Let's review our environmental strategy. Let's work through the agenda quickly. We should look at reducing our waste. I'm sorry to interrupt, but I disagree. What do you think about recycling? Let's take a vote on the new policy. The meeting chair has the casting vote. I'm sorry, but I don't agree. I think it's the best strategy. How about you? I just have a few closing remarks.
End of Lesson 24.